Welcome everyone. My name is Mete Sertkan and I'm a PhD student from TU Vienna, Austria. My colleagues are Neidhardt and Werthner. Today we will introduce Pixmyway 2.0, a picture-based tourism recommender. Tourism products are rather complex. They usually combine many other items such as transportation, accommodation, attractions, and more. And they are highly related to emotional experiences. Furthermore, they bear high consumption costs. So decisions like where to go and what to do are not easy to take, and people often have difficulties in expressing their preferences and needs explicitly, especially in the early phase of travel decision making. Their preferences might rather be implicitly given. To counter those difficulties, we address people on a nonverbal level and in a more gamified way, by using pictures as a pivotal tool of communication. In particular, we profile people based on a selection of pictures. In other words, we map people onto the 7-factor model. The 7-factor model is a well-known framework to capture travel behavioral patterns and combines personality traits as well as known touristic profiles from the literature. In it, a tourist is described as a mixture of the 7 factors and is not classified to one. In Pixmyway, our previous approach, we provided the user a fixed set of 63 pictures, which we established and loaded with the 7 factors through workshops and factor analysis. In the first step, the user selects 3 to 7 pictures out of this given set. Then, based on the user's selection, we determine the user's touristic profile. The user has the opportunity to indicate further preferences. And finally, we display personalized recommendations. So what is our intent behind Pixmyway 2.0? Well, in the previous version, we have a static set of pictures, which is inflexible to changes. For example, if you have a design change and want to use other pictures, you have to go through again all those workshops and factor analysis and etc. Furthermore, and more importantly, people cannot use their own pictures. But nowadays, people have a lot of pictures in their devices, their cloud services, and on social media. And we want to use any pictures as input for our profiling. And by letting people use pictures of their own or pictures they like on the internet, we can even better address their interests, personality, and emotions. So the approach of Pixmyway 2.0 looks as following. First, we let users upload any pictures of their liking. And using deep learning and in particular convolutional neural networks, we determine the user's touristic profile based on those uploaded pictures. We also give users the opportunity to further specify and adapt their profile according to their needs. And finally, we provide personalized recommendations. An evaluation with users shows that we can use any pictures, in particular the user's own pictures, to even better address their personality and needs. And the majority of the users were satisfied with our new approach. We obtained a more versatile way to elicit people's preferences and needs, which can be adapted to many different use cases. This gamified way and being able to use pictures of their own and people relate to leads to a better user experience and so to increased engagement and satisfaction. Since we can use any pictures for our profiling, we can use the same approach to index new items into our recommendation base. For example, we can add new destinations into our offering by simply using Google Travel pictures of a particular destination as input to our model. Thank you for listening. We are looking forward to a fruitful discussion and exchange of ideas. You can try out our new approach by following the QR code or URL. If you have further questions, ideas, critiques, or suggestions, please do not hesitate to reach us. See you at ENTER 2021. Bye.